everyone. From this video, you are going to learn to make sentences for class 2 using the word happiness. Okay, let me first tell you about the parts of piece of happiness. The parts of piece of happiness is a noun. Specifically, it's an abstract noun, uncountable noun. That is why, since this is a noun, so it can take the subject place or object place in a sentence. So let's make sentences with this noun. Playing with my friends gives me happiness. Okay, give here verb. From give we have written here gives. Actually, playing, this is a gerund. Gerund can function as verb and noun both. As a noun, it is the subject of the verb gives, and as a verb, it is taking this prepositional phrase. So, as a noun, it is uncountable and singular, right? That is why we need singular verb. To make the verb singular, we need to add s. We need to add s with the verb to make the verb singular. And give here is a transitive verb which can take two objects, me, happiness. Playing with my friend gives me happiness, or you can use this sentence as a model. Playing with my father gives me happiness, like this. The little puppy brought happiness to everyone. From bring, we have written here brought. The past tense of bring is brought. The little puppy brought happiness to everyone. We have used happiness as the object of the verb bring or brought, right? Object, noun can be object or subject. Here, object. The little puppy brought happiness to everyone.